Hello, little friends. Today, we're going on a magical journey with Princess Sophia in her enchanted kingdom. Princess Sophia was not just any princess. She had a secret power. She could talk to animals. One sunny morning, a little bird told Sophia that the kingdom's magical flower was wilting in the mystic forest. Determined to save the magical flower, Sophia planned her journey to the mystic forest. She packed her bag with essentials and set off on her adventure. Sophia rode her trusty horse, Starlight, through sparkling rivers, over green hills, and past twinkling meadows. When she reached the mystic forest, Sophia was greeted by magical creatures like friendly gnomes and dancing fairies who offered to help. Together, they found the magical flower, but it was surrounded by thorny vines. Using her special power, Sophia spoke to the plants. "Please let us through," she kindly asked. The plants listened and parted ways, revealing the flower. Sophia and her new friends carefully watered and cared for the flower. Slowly, it began to bloom again, spreading magic throughout the kingdom. Princess Sophia returned to her castle, celebrated as a hero. She learned that with a little kindness and courage, you can make a big difference.